This is my Ford Fiesta ST, and today, I really need to get those automatic boot struts. We've got a Maxton design front splitter. Now I feel like it's about time we actually did some exterior styling bits on the ST, because so far we've only done the wheels. And don't get me wrong, these wheels look absolutely amazing, but I feel like it's about time we added some exterior styling bits to make it look a bit more sporty. So without further ado, let's pull the ST into the garage and let's get started on fitting this splitter. Right, the car is in the garage looking amazing. I gave it a clean earlier, so it's nice and shiny, but the Maxton splitter, which I'm still actually yet to unpackage. So, ooh, here it is. Okay, so for those wondering what splitter this is exactly, this is the Maxton design front splitter for an ST, but it's the Cupra one, which I think it just means it gives you this and it makes it sit a little bit lower, I think. Once again, the guys over at AET Motorsport have given us a discount code to give you guys, which is where I got this splitter from, which is JoshB5, which will get you 5% off at checkout on the AET website. So go and make sure, I'll leave all their links down in the description. Make sure you go over there now and get some mods for your Fiesta, or you might have another car. They do lots of different cars on their website, different mods and all sorts. What we're gonna do is jack up the car so the front is a bit higher so we can get underneath it better. But now it's lowered, it's really low to the ground, so it's gonna be hard to put it on as it is. So we're gonna raise it up now and then we'll start putting it on. So this is now well high. We should have plenty of room now to see under the car. We can now line up the splitter to see where it's going to go, and then we can start drilling into the car. So you've seen I've just put the splitter on the jack just to hold it there in place to see where it will be going, and it actually lines up pretty well either side. So I'm hoping this isn't too difficult. We get it in place like that, put a screw in. Now what I'm about to say, you guys are going to hate me for it, but we're going to be using self tap-ins. Now I did this on my BMW, it was completely fine and it never fell off. Now we're going to do it on the Fiesta. Right, you lot, I've taken all the protective film off. It is nice and glossy, and I think I've got it in the perfect position, and it's now ready to be held up and drilled in either side and all around. And here are the self tap-ins right here, boom, and the drill right here. This is going to be the fastest splitter install known to man. Trust me, this will be done in less than an hour. Just hopefully it doesn't fall off within an hour. That would be a shame. Woo. Oh yes, that noise is the noise of security. Right, you lot, we're making some good progress right here. As you can see, we've got the splitter all on, holding itself now. And I've basically just put one screw all the way around, so like one, like, and then in each bit. But I'm gonna double them up, put two screws where you're only meant to really put one, just so it's double the strength. This is lined up pretty bang on, to be honest. Around here, it's looking good. But now let's get the last strengthening screws in, then we'll be able to get it on the floor and see what this thing properly looks like. I think it's done, boys. It is now all on and double bolted all underneath, so it's literally absolutely peppered under here with just bolts absolutely everywhere. I mean, the underside of this car is now peppered, so you know there's going to be holes on holes if you take the splitter off. Yeah, I'm well gassed to get this on the floor to show you guys. I don't even really know what it looks like. It's hard to tell what it looks like up in the air like this. So without further ado, let's drop it and let's take a look at this splitter.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay tonight. Pretty how you work hard for me. We're forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right afterwards,
How good does this front splitter look? It's completely changed the front end of the car, made it look even lower. It's actually got a gap as well where the air flows through. So I mean, if I took this on a track day, mate, that probably would help with downforce. It definitely needs side skirts now. 100% needs the side skirts. It's looking like a little race car now. It looks so sick. Everyone who follows me on Instagram will be the first to know if this thing falls off. I'll leave a link down below, and yeah, check it out. It's joshbatesYT on Instagram as well. So you will be the first to know if this falls off, because tap in screws, hopefully it works. I want you guys to let me know what you want to see next. Of course, side skirts is on the agenda because You need them really. With a front splitter like that, you need it just so it ties the whole car in nicely. Other than side skirts, so let me know what you guys want to see next on the ST. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me. We're forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up.